Unboxing tayo ng aking gifts. Unboxing tayo aking gifts. First is kay Red. Ayan. So, hindi mo nakakita yung regalo ko. Ayan! So cute. It's so cute. Thank you, Red, so much. Next, Aqua Flash by Abby, right? Ang ganda. 32 ounce. Ito natin. With my name, Parilan. Thank you po. Thank you so much, Abby. Yun na. Wow, ano siya? Bag. Ang cute. Okay, James. Tapos, wow, lahat ng paint, lotion. Hindi naman may chocolate pa. Ito sweet. Tapos, mamaya ko na babasahin dito. Mamaya ka na. Thank you. Thank you so much. Tapos, itong flowers. Kay James ko galing. Thank you so much. Ano to? Kay Tita Vicky. Wow, nalibad. Narinig ko. Oh, perfect. Barbie. Atake. I love it. Kanina, doon ko ito ng name. May name guys. Extra pa. Next kay Sab. Bigat. Wow. So nice. Ang ganda nga. Oh, thank you po. Thank you so much, Sab. So pretty. Okay. Andy Valdez. It's pabango. Bath and Body Works. If you must. Bango. I'm with dear thing na blush, I think. Thanks so much, Andy. Janan family. Thank you po. I think this is a dress. Yes, a dress. It's a pink dress. Thank you so much po. Ninong Wowie. Oh, may Christmas gift din sa loob. Hello! Ang cute! Sharks! Sharks. Let's go. Thank you po. Yeah, it's a cute bag. Thank you po, Ninong Wowie. Kaya dito Jason Barro. Plus ulit. Dali ka pala. With Lotso! Ang cute. Thank you so much. Next, kay Alfred. Happy birthday. What's this? Oh, I think it's a face to. Okay, thank you so much. And a towel. Thank you so much, Alfred. I don't know kung nito eh, pero sino ba nag-share sa akin? It's a cute earrings. Thank you so much. Next, some green, a silver bird. Wow, it's a necklace with a cat in it. So cute. Nilalagyan na may accessories pa. Ito kay Seti. Seti, thank you, Seth. Ano ito? Wow, so nice. All in one. Thank you so much, Seth. Ito kay Kuya Bernito. Dalawa ito eh. Kasi yung isa. Ito kay Kuya Bernito, dalawa. Happy birthday. Yan. Squad Lip Fix Duo. And isa pa is